Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Nissan Leaf. First, make sure your vehicle is in park for safety. Next, grab your phone and enable its Bluetooth feature, ensuring it's discoverable. Then, on your Nissan Leaf's infotainment screen, navigate to the Phone menu. This is your starting point for adding a new device. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the connection. Once in the Phone menu, you'll see an option like Connect New Device or Add Phone. Select this to begin the pairing process. Your car will then search for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone's name appears on the car's screen, select it. A 6-digit PIN will display on both your phone and the car. Verify these numbers match, then confirm on both devices to complete the pairing. Sometimes you might encounter issues. If pairing doesn't work, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can often resolve it. Also, consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth connections from your car's memory. This can prevent conflicts. Always ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version for optimal compatibility with your Nissan Leaf system. Once successfully connected, you can enjoy features like streaming audio, making hands-free calls, and using voice commands for navigation or music. Your Nissan Leaf can usually store several paired Bluetooth devices, so family members can connect their phones too. For more details on specific features, consult your owner's manual. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.